Okay, so this is part two, dynamic blocks. There's another way you can use dynamic blocks. I imported these three different beds. So this is a king. I'm going to move that over here. That's a queen, and this is a double. Now, I have them on three separate blocks, but with dynamic blocks, um, I can have these on all one block. And let me show you how. So let's do this. Let's go over here, open this up. I want to copy all of this. So Control C. That's fine. Let's go here. Open this up. Let's add a visibility parameter block. So I want to do that from here. Let's double click on this. So visibility state. Check this out. I want to rename this double bed. Hit OK. Actually, yeah, hit OK. And now I want to hit a new visibility state, and I want to name it Queen. And I want to hide all existing objects in the new state. So I don't want to leave visibility of other states. So let's hide that. Hit OK. Now hit OK. And now Control V. I'm going to put this 0, 0, 0. Enter. And now I have another visibility state. So I can go to double bed, queen. Now let me test this. Double, queen. Double, queen. All right. Let's go back to double. Close that. Close that. Save. I need to copy this one. Hit OK. There you go. Control C. Close that. That's fine. Let's go back to this one. Hit open. And now I want to add a visibility state. New king bed. Or just king. Doesn't matter. We can clearly see it's bed. Hit OK. Hit OK. Control V. And let me put this 0, 0, 0. Enter. And now, let's test this out. Got me a double, queen, and king. And if I want to make a Cali king, I could do the same thing. Just draw it, bring it in, and do it like that. And so let me go ahead and close this test block. I could add other things like rotate, flip to this as well. And good to go. So let's save that. And now, remember, we only did this one. So these I don't need anymore because I have all in one. And that's it. That's dynamic blocks and what you can do with it. If you want to dip more into it, there's other YouTube videos on how to do way more than what I'm just showing you. I'm just showing you what AutoCAD is capable of doing to help save you some time. Anyway, all right. Let me go ahead and save this, and thank you for watching.